Hey guys, it's Miss Delos Reyes. Today we're learning about exponent rules, specifically the power rule. In this example, we have p to the third raised to the sixth power. So exponents mean repeated multiplication. So what this technically means is that you have 6 sets of p to the third being multiplied together. You could expand it even further and write all the p's out, all the way out, or you can just add them up, and that would be p to the 18th. A shortcut for the power rule is that if you have a power and a power raised to each other, you would multiply the two together. That would give you p to the 18th power, because 3 times 6 is 18. So let's try that in this example. T to the negative 6 raised to the 4th power. So we're going to multiply those two together. 4 times negative 6, that's negative 24. And then, using what we know about negative exponents, we are going to bring that negative exponent to the other side of the fraction so that the denominator is t to the 24th power, and that would be 1 over t to the 24th. Answer choice B. Next example, v to the negative 1 to the negative 9. Again, power rule says you can multiply these together, so that's v to the negative 1 times negative 9 is positive 9, and this is already simplified. For this example, a, b to the 0, c to the negative 2, all of that raised to the 6. You are going to distribute that power of 6 in to all of the variables. Now, a has a power of 1 technically. So, for a, 1 times 6 is 6. For b, anything to the 0 power is 1, but if you look at it, 0 times 6 is 0. C, negative 2 times 6 is negative 12. And like we said earlier, anything to the 0 power is equal to 1, so we don't really have to write that. So now what we have is a to the 6th power, c to the negative 12, and then of course, we have to rewrite this as a fraction because of this negative exponent. We want to make it positive by taking it to the other side of the fraction. So our simplified answer is a to the 6 over c to the 12. Okay, so we have k to the negative 3, m to the negative 2, and n, all raised to the negative 10. It's not a bad idea to go ahead and put a 1 here next to the n so that you don't forget about it. You're going to distribute backwards, power to the power, so that gives us k to the positive 30, m to the positive 20, and n to the negative 10. Because of this negative exponent, we make the fraction, and then we're going to switch it to the other side. So now we have n to the positive 10 down here, which simplifies out to k to the 30th, m to the 20th, and n to the 10th power. So the correct answer is C. Thanks for watching. Bye.